Hi, Jackie. Jackie's at the Animal Rescue League of New Hampshire in Bedford. And her brother Onyx here is being the photo hog. So these two, Onyx in fact just came out of this little cubby that he was in there with her. They are in love with each other. They're sister and brother, very close. And they should be adopted together. Onyx here is a real character. They just moved into the room and Onyx says, okay, I own it. I know, all the other kitties that are in here, they'll just have to know who I am. Whereas Jackie, who is one awesome kitty, she's being a little bit more cautious. But Jackie is normally right up in front, doing a dance. And she's saying, Onyx, how can you be so relaxed? Everything's all brand new. Tell me what's going on. You two are such an awesome pair. Whoever adopts you two are going to be very lucky. Yeah. Onyx, you feel like velvet. You stop bumping into me. Okay, Jackie? Yeah, you'll figure out what's going on and then you'll be happier. Bye-bye, girl. Love you.